Hello, everyone! If you're looking for an unforgettable family adventure, let me tell you about the California Science Center in Los Angeles. This place is like stepping into a universe where curiosity rules and fun comes first. Right when you walk in, you'll notice the energy. Kids are laughing, parents are exploring, and everywhere you look, there's something incredible happening. Want to get hands-on? Dive into interactive exhibits where you can experiment, build, and discover together. From mind-boggling physics to eye-opening biology, every corner is designed so you can touch, test, and tinker. But wait, the real showstopper? The Space Shuttle Endeavour? Yup, you can stand right under this legendary spacecraft in the Samuel Oschin Pavilion. Imagine looking up at a shuttle that's actually traveled to space. It's awe-inspiring no matter your age. And don't be surprised if you catch yourself dreaming about liftoff. The best part is, learning here doesn't feel like school, it feels like play. You'll find live science demos, special workshops, and even ecosystems to explore. My personal favorite? The kelp forest, where you can watch fish and divers in action, all while staying dry. So, if you want a day that sparks curiosity and brings your family closer, the California Science Center is the spot. Admission is free, so why not make a memory together? Pack a lunch, grab the kids, and get ready to rediscover the magic of science, right here in LA. Thanks for hanging out with me. See you at the Science Center. Like and subscribe for more amazing destinations.